Welcome to the Unboxed PIM tutorial on how to create workflows. Workflows help you automate your regular editing and updates to reduce your manual effort. Click on Create Workflow and give it a name and description. You can decide when your workflow starts. For example, it can either start after the completion of an import or PIM task, or since we named it as Weekly Update, this workflow will occur every week on Mondays, and you can decide when to end it. Once the timeline is set, create your flow. For example, here I want to choose all the products that have a weight of 5. Edit all of them and change their weights to 10, and then add it to a product group of my choice, and finally, certify it to the network. Once all of this is done, save and start your workflow. For more information, go through the FAQ section or help documentation of Unboxed PIM, or reach out to your Unboxed PIM representative. Thank you!